Hi, Uber Eats for Starbucks?
Hi, yeah.
Hi.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Oh, what are you doing?
Yeah, just, you're my Uber?
Oh, no, it's Uber Eats, so I just got your food.
Oh, yeah. No, it's okay. I just handed my food off.
Oh, no. Wait, what are you doing? Because I got to do more deliveries.
You're not here to pick me up?
No.
I thought that's what this was.
No, I just dropped off your food.
Okay, well, can't you just take me to?
Take you where?
I just need to go to
That's
Target.
not taking you. What are you talking about?
I just need to run to Target real quick.
I'm not an Uber driver. I'm Uber Eats. I just took you.
What's the difference?
I deliver food to you. It's Eats, called for eating your food. You got Starbucks. I got you a Starbucks drink.
You know, you have really beautiful eyes.
I have glasses on.
Yeah, but I can see them behind your glasses.
Okay. So what do you want to do? I got to do more deliveries. I got a McDonald's order. It's on.
Okay, hear me out. What if you take me to Target and we walk around for a bit and do a little bit of shopping, and then you drop me back off, and then you can continue your rides?
Well, I don't have to do shopping at Target because I gotta. What am I gonna get at Target?
Maybe you can pick up some things and drop them off to people after.
I mean,
See, it's like a win-win.
I do need new bath soap.
See?
For my bubble bath.
See?
Or my bath.
You can get some bath soap. I can get the things I need. It's like a win-win, you know? Just like...
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, great.
Okay, just put your seatbelt on, I guess.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
What was your name?
Pedro?